Hi everyone, if you are interested in add-on that can turn this into this, stick around. My name is Staszek and I am creating Peak Dream Studio. I am here to share some exciting news with you. We just reached 15 sales of our Blender Ornament Generator Addon. We are very grateful for your trust and support. To celebrate this milestone, we are launching first giveaway. What can you win? The prize is light version of Ornament Generator Addon. Includes over 100 ornaments. You can get it absolutely free. If you are interested how to participate, simply watch this video until the end. Ornament Generator Addon is for all of you who are looking for detailed decorations. With just a few clicks, you can add stunning details to your artwork. As shown in video, interface is easy to use. You can elevate your project in just 5 minutes. Decorations in Addon are historically accurate for authentic look. We can't wait to hear your creative ideas. Let's see how you will use our tool. If you are interested in this challenge, just answer the question in the comments below. The question is why you should get this Ornament Generator Addon for free. I will pick 3 best answers. You have 7 days to answer the question in the comments below. All details can be found in the descriptions. Good luck and see you in the next video.